Welcome to SilicWorks. Today, we are launching a transformative 10 weeks journey into the heart of semiconductor design, the RTL to GDS flow. In the modern VLSI industry, understanding how code becomes a physical chip is the most sought after skill. At SilicWorks, we don't just teach theory, we focus on end to end workflow mastery. Over the next 2 months, you will tackle 8 hands on projects, culminating in a complete GDS file ready for the foundry. Our goal is to turn you into a designer who can bridge the gap between high level architecture and manufacture ready. In Module 1, we begin with the basics of the environment and the physics of the chip. You will establish a professional Linux environment, mastering the shell navigation and scripting that forms the backbone of VLSI tool interaction. We then pivot to fabrication foundations, where we explore mask generation and silicon processing. Understanding the path from GDS to tape out is essential for making informed design decisions later in the flow. In Module 2, we focus on TC scripting to automate complex EDA workflows, ensuring your design results are consistent and repeatable. We also navigate the open source tool ecosystem, teaching you how to install and configure the industry standard software we'll be using throughout the course. In Module 3, we bridge the gap between software algorithms and hardware. You will use the Bamboo framework to convert C or C++ code into hardware via high-level synthesis HLS. Simultaneously, we reinforce Verilog proficiency, focusing on timing-driven coding styles that ensure your RTL is not just functional, but efficient and synthesizable. Module 4. This is where the physical design begins. We use uses to transform your RTL into an optimized gate-level netlist. Once synthesized, we move to OpenRoad to architect the floor plan. You will learn to distribute the power grid and establish the physical foundation upon which all transistors will sit. Module 5. With the floor plan set, we implement standard cell placement, optimizing for both timing and congestion. One of the most critical steps follows clock tree synthesis CTS. You will learn to ensure synchronized signal delivery across the chip before performing the final routing of all signal interconnects. Module 6. Finally, we reach the sign-off phase. We use OpenSTA for static timing analysis to guarantee the chip meets its performance targets. To ensure the design can actually be manufactured, we perform DRC design rule checks and LVS layout versus schematic using Magic and K layout. This ensures your layout matches your logic and adheres to foundry constraints. What makes this SilicWorks program unique? Hands-on tool ecosystem. You gain practical experience with an array of industry tools like Yosis, OpenRoad, Magic, and K-Layout. Fabrication insights. We go beyond the screen to explore mass generation and final silicon processing. Automation through scripting. We provide intensive sessions on TCL and Linux and shell scripting for environment management. Modern workflows. You will learn to use the Bamboo HLS framework for modern C or C++ to hardware conversion. By the end of this 10 weeks program at SilicWorks, you will have achieved full flow design proficiency, the ability to transform high-level code into physical hardware independently, physical layout expertise, mastery over floor plans, power grids, and cell placement for timing and congestion. Sign-off readiness, the competence to ensure your layout is electrically sound LVS and meets foundry constraints DRC. Advanced problem solving, the skill to use scripting to optimize for power, performance, and area. Complete GDS generation, you will leave with a verified capstone processor design, resulting in a GDS file ready for fabrication. Welcome to the future of chip design. Welcome to SilicWorks.